So this is just like the last one, where you have to be careful because it says percent. Uh-oh, not on the right page. Hang on one sec. Okay, because it says percent, and the only other difference is it says outside. All right, but it's still a standard normal distribution, so the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. And then we have to round to 2 decimal places. Okay, so over here to the right, we have our mean, we have our standard deviation, but again, the key word here is outside. So I got to go over here to outside and type in negative 0.58 and positive 0.58, and then hit enter. And if you look at the picture, unfortunately I've been forgetting to show you the picture of what happens. Basically what it's saying is I want the area outside of negative 0.58 standard deviations and positive 0.58 standard deviations. So I want the area on both sides. That black area, if you add it up, comes out to be 0.5619. So again, remember this is a percent that I need in the answer. So I have to do times 100. And so this is going to give me 56.19%. Okay, so let's type it in to make sure that works. Always have my fingers crossed when I'm doing this live. 56.19. And if you do get an error, let's see, this should work. Okay, great. If you ever got an error and you basically had the correct decimals, once in a great while the rounding doesn't work correctly, just make sure you message me and I'll give you full credit. I can check that your answer is very close to the one that's given. So if I say show answer here, you can see that it was accepting 56.2 and we were good. All right. So that's another one down.